When you buy ingredients for Tradish recipes, make sure to sign up to Amazon Prime. You get a 30-day trial for free next day delivery. Link is in the description. Hello everyone and Merry Christmas! Today on Tradish, we're going to be showing you how to make a simple Christmas gift. That's mulled wine. It's easy and affordable and it's delicious. We're going to be showing you how to make it and how to package it, and that's coming right up. Thankfully for mulled wine, you can make it pretty affordably. You don't have to go and buy an expensive bottle. Generally around Christmas time, they tend to have sales on their red wine. And the reason you don't want to use one that's really expensive is because we're going to be heating it and flavoring it anyway. And I'm going to start off with toasting my spices, and that will bring out the lovely aroma of all those spices. So once your spices have been toasted on a low heat and they're smelling lovely and fragrant, add in all of your wine now and bring it to a boil if you want to get rid of all of your alcohol. So in this method, I'm concentrating all the flavors and it's killing off the alcohol too. But you can do this with about half of one bottle and then add in the rest of your wine once you've turned down the heat if you want to preserve some alcohol. Once you've added in your wine, add in some citrus fruit to give it a bit of zest and your sweetener too. The great thing about mulled wine is that you can pretty much use any old spices you have in your cupboard and it will taste really great. So it's really affordable. And check the link in the description below if you want to see how we gift this for Christmas. Once your mulled wine is done, just strain it off into a couple glasses. It smells lovely and citrusy and fragrant, and I'm going to taste it now. It tastes really nice. Who doesn't like mulled wine around this time of year? It's delicious, it's so Christmassy, and it's affordable. You should give this to one of your loved ones this Christmas. Make sure to head to tradish.net to get the recipe for this, and check out our other easy and affordable Christmas gift video, our lovely traditional Irish shortbread, and keep it tradish. Merry Christmas! Oh, Sarah. It smells lovely and citrusy. Do you not have something there that you could cut up?